Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to show you how to enable satellite view on Google Maps. So, let's get started. First things first, open the Google Maps app on your Android device. This is the default view that you'll see. Now tap on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and then click on the setting option. Inside the settings, scroll down until you find Start Maps and Satellite View option. By default, it is usually disabled because satellite view consumes more data than the regular map view. Now let's toggle that button on to enable satellite view. Now you can go back to the main map screen, and you'll see that the satellite view has been enabled. And now if I close the app and after that run the app again, then you will see that the satellite view is already turned on. And there you have it. You have successfully turned on satellite view. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.